Access the warrant selector. On the warrant tools drop-down, click Warrant Selector. Here, you'll be taken into the warrant selector page. Select the underlying of choice. In this case, if it was DBS, for example, you have the option to select either a call warrant if you're bullish in the short term and think DBS shares are going up and you would like to use warrants to trade that move. Or you can select a put if you thought that DBS shares are coming off in the short term and you would like to use a put warrant to hedge. In this case, if I selected the call warrant, because I have a view that DBS will go up to about $38 in the short term, which is 4.4% higher from here, I need to click on the number of weeks next to simulate the returns that the warrants will generate based on this view. You see that as I increase the number of weeks, the gains diminish, and that's a result of the time decay effect. I'll keep increasing it until the warrants fail to generate gains that are geared. In this case, by the 9th week, you'll notice that the third warrant here is no longer generating gains despite DBS shares going up by 4.4%, meaning the maximum holding period for the third warrant here is less than 9 weeks, and we should be holding it for a maximum of 8 weeks to generate an 8.6% return based on a 4.4% move in DBS shares. Do note that if the stock went in the opposite direction, then the losses will likewise be magnified.